So this person when named Domo Harris decide say them a go troll Spice. And I go write a comment under Spice post say stop spreading false news. If you don't know the facts, keep your mouth shut. Kiss my teeth. Now Spice decided to respond and Spice did put her in her place. Spice said stop commenting effery under my page and go wash your dirty drawers, dirty girl. Me look like idler to you, stinking arm girl. Someone wanna chat too much, that's why uno so dumb. Go read the Prime Minister post. Yo, Spice, fix our business for you. Alright, so you see what me talk about yesterday? It played itself out today. When me say some Jamaicans, them just grab things and vomit it out back without try go look up things for themselves. It play right out today. Now let me tell you what me talk about. So as you see me on Answer TV, me do a video earlier announced that the borders at Jamaica is going to be opened up. So Jamaicans who trapped overseas can actually fly back home, but it's opened up until the 31st of May. Now Spice posted this information to her Instagram platform, right? You know Spice have millions of followers over there, so right? So Spice posted that information over there, so and one idiot, one jackass who don't do research for themselves, who don't look up things for themselves, decides to jump in a Spice comment section and cuss Spice and tell Spice that she will stop spread fake news cause nothing no go so. Now, me I go tell you this. Spice deal with it rash. I'm not blame Spice none at all because that is the very same thing when me did I talk about. Before someone on quick figure type and bash people and cuss people and talk to people don't know nothing and you understand, go do some research for yourself. Right? Now this morning when this information came out, even before Spice posted it, I saw it on our website this morning that the Jamaican borders will be opened up until May 31st. Me see that from most about 9 o'clock this morning on the website, and it wasn't even a Jamaican website when me see it on, right? But because I'm the kind of person, me like facts, because I'm the kind of person, me not just sit things and run with it, me want to investigate first, right? I waited a bit because me check the Gleaner, me check the Observer, me check the Star, me check Andrew page, me check the opposition page, me not say nothing about the borders being open. So me decided to me I go wait a little bit first, right? I waited, continued digging and digging and digging and found no information on it until eventually it was uploaded to a member of parliament's page. And in the subsection it says that the borders will be opened from the 22nd, right, to the 31st of May. And that was when I decided that me I go do my video and publish it, because now that me get confirmation say something actually goes off for real, then me can do it, right? But it just goes to show that if people would have just simply take the time before you run and start talk things and just go do some investigation for yourself, go look up things for yourself first, you can save yourself some embarrassment. You understand? Now if this who jump in a Spice comment section and talk about say stop spread fake news because nothing no go so. If it simply go so, go over to the PM page or Lisa Anna page and look, them would have say it was actually posted there and Spice now just talk things out of her mouth. You understand? Spice in the response to him, Spice said, listen, I'm doing this for inform Uno and keep Uno aware of what's going on with this whole situation. Me not tell you nothing for hurt Uno, me not tell you nothing for harm Uno. You understand? And that is what she gets in return. People come and troll her and talk a bunch of foolishness. That is what me not understand with Jamaicans. You understand? That is what me not understand with Jamaicans. Some of Uno just need to just listen sometime, comprehend and try to understand when uno see people at say certain things before uno quick fi lash out and troll people. Alright, watch it man, me done with this. 30 minutes in the comment section. Your opinion matters.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.